An outline is a quick way to organize information. So up here on the board, we have an outline. So next to Roman numeral 1, you put the main idea of a story. So that needs to be a complete sentence. So say I'm making an outline about a story that I read about the importance of drinking water. So now I want to make an outline about the importance of drinking water. So my main point is going to be water is a better choice than soda. So now we come to A. So this is a supporting detail. So I would say supporting detail number 1, health. So I'm going to talk about the health benefits of drinking water. So notice here then we have subpoints. So I do my first subpoint where I talk about cavities. All the sugar in soda contributes to people having cavities on their teeth. And then the second subpoint is going to be about obesity. Many times people who drink soda get overweight because soda is so unhealthy. So now we go to our second supporting detail. So now we're no longer talking about health, we're talking about this second supporting detail, which in this case is the fact that water is more reasonable than soda. And so the first supporting detail of this supporting detail, or the first subpoint, is the cost. Water is a lot cheaper than soda. This is true if you're drinking water out of the faucet at home rather than buying soda, or if you drink water at restaurants rather than buying soda. It's a lot cheaper. And then the second subpoint is soda is harder to find. For example, if you're about to eat dinner at your house and you want a soda, you may be out of soda, so you have to go to the store. You might have to make a special trip. Whereas water is going to be available pretty much wherever you are. So if you make it a point to drink water, you'll find it very easy to always have water. And so then, if I wanted to, I could have a third supporting detail. I don't want to. Or I could actually have more subpoints than this. Say up here I wanted to talk about other health reasons to drink water. I could have kept going with the subpoints all the way to 5, 6, 7 subpoints. So this right here is just the main way that you would want to do an outline. But you can do it a lot of different ways. So now I'm going to do the conclusion. So I'm going to put it next to Roman numeral 2. So my conclusion is going to be drinking water benefits your health and lifestyle. So this is basically a summary of the story that I read about why water is a better choice than soda. So the idea of an outline is to not tell everything that you found out from the story. It's just a quick way to organize information from a story or paper. So say, for example, I wanted to make this as I was reading the story. I could read the first line of the story, which says water is a better choice than soda. So I write that down as my main idea. And then it begins to make its first point. So I write, okay, health reasons. And then I just go through this as I'm reading it so that by the time I finish with the story, I have notes from the story. So I can look back at my notes and remember what I read. So remember that there's many different ways to do an outline, but this is just the general way to do an outline.
To find out more about how to ace your test and get more practice for your test, click the study guide. Learn why Mometrix is the best and smartest decision you can make for your test prep choice. We have done all the work cutting through the fluff to give you what you need to perform well on your exam. Click the study guide to get started now, and thank you for watching and learning with us.